imali yami isipani sami uyazi ngiyasihlonipha ungibheke emehlweni ubambe isandla mfana sisazophila sefike nesikhathi uqala ubone ngathi kushintsha izinto focus kulo mphando ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siphile impilo mina ngaze ngifisa ukuphila le mpilo and vele mina understand sami isimo beka hlezi ithula inyembezi lami impilo uNkulunkulu wangithanda wangipha lesipho size baba ngikwazi ukuqosha ikade leli ziko abanye basondela ukuthi sine sami impilo beka ngikupha stick and not believe ukuthi yimlo kuphele manje ishetha ngikhona ukufasa inkino khathaza ukuthi bank balance bangako zero uthatha ukuthi ube shit mas ukuze ubambe ilingo I'm hot boxing in my cabin I'm always indoors spiritually connected higher ngivikela windows I'm married to the money that's at back I'm a in-laws Sandy OG songs in therapy spread the positivity ingoma isengakusiza azivuke ngisengizanga
yona